pilots. And a robot! Look out! A cockroach! An alien! And a robot! From space, trying to solve the peace problem in the universe. Right on! Yeah! Wait, she just said kill the robot. Wait a second, hold on. What? It's just a kid. It's another kid! You're adorable! Kids! While we love world peace and everything, what are you doing up here on stage? You know this show is illegal to kids!
We're sorry.
And yet the cockpit only lets kids over the age of 14 in. They only wanted to have fun. I thought this was England, not Germany. Oh, but we could get sued. We might get taken to court and have to fill out paperwork.